So in today's video, we're going to talk about which wholesaling course is the best, right? Again, my name is Ray, Channel Real Estate with Ray, and I just give you the education. That's all I'm doing. I'm giving you the education. I'm giving you the experience from what I've been through, my journey, so you don't make those same mistakes. You can make some money in this real estate business because there's a lot of money out there. And speaking of a lot of money, people spend tons of money on these real estate courses, and you ask yourself, should I go buy this course? You got somebody, Grant Cardone over here, and then you got this other real estate guru that trying to sell all these different courses, fortune builders. And from my experience, the first course that I bought on real estate wholesaling was actually fortune builders. I paid for fortune builders. I paid like $500, I believe, $500 for the course. And what ended up happening was it was an online course, and it was coursework just on a computer. And you're going through the videos, you're going through the modules, and it was just an overwhelming amount of information. And information was helpful, but it's like, I'm not really getting what I really want out of this. So I actually started going around. At the time I stayed in Alabama, I actually started going around looking for individuals to do wholesaling. And I found people there that had nice cars in real estate. They really wasn't open to helping me in Alabama, but it is what it is. And so what ended up happening, I just went back to that course and started studying some more. You can use YouTube, but YouTube has stuff all over the place. There's a billion different people that are teaching you how to wholesale, how to do this. Even my channel, I'm going to be teaching you that. But at the same time, it's more so telling you exactly what mistakes not to be messing up on while you're going through this journey. So I would recommend, if you are going to go to YouTube, stick with one person, because so many different strategies, so many different type of ways that people do real estate. So if you're going to do that, stick with just one person. And again, everybody and their mama's trying to wholesale, but I would recommend that the best course that you can get is a hands-on course. If you go find a group, REI group, just Google real estate wholesaling groups in whatever city you're in. And you will find networking events, you will find groups all day, every day, where people can either teach you, you can work with them, you can learn the trade, you can start to go out there and have a little more confidence, because you're actually around people physically that's going to help you in this business. The ones that are not frauds, of course. So make sure that you are going about it that way, because I think the best teacher is going to be doing something hands-on, and then you just do that repetitive over and over again, and then you start to become a master at the business. And it's lightweight after that point.
Yeah, buddy! Lightweight!
Just all lightweight.